warm welcome for Chiara.
Hi everybody, I'm Chiara and I'm gonna talk about gardening. Most young people spend a lot of time in front of screens, like tablets, computers, phones. My favorite free time activity is gardening. This passion of mine was passed on to me by my grandfather Mimo when, as a child, I helped him water the garden of the villa by the sea in Licata. In reality, at the beginning, I wasn't really interested in plants, but I enjoyed being my grandfather wet me with the hose when he goes from one flower bed to another and jumping like Peppa Pig on the mud puddles. I like gardening because I like staying in contact with nature and because it remembers my grandfather. I frequently ask my mother to buy colorful flower seeds because I think that once they grow, they make the house more beautiful, colorful and full of life. I don't only plant colorful flowers, but also succulents, legumes and vegetables. I love succulents, especially the little ones that I can put in my own colored pots. Once, secretly from my parents, I planted 6 lentils in a pot on the balcony, which I get from the pantry. I honestly didn't believe they would grow, but I was wrong. I watered them and after a few weeks, I found a big, large lid with lentils inside. For me, it was a source of great pride. I decided to create a big vegetable garden to my grandfather. The drawing failed as I didn't consider that the cat had given birth 3 kittens called Nerino, Bianchino and Bacetta that every morning enjoyed using the garden as a parkour. I built a beautiful memory with the 3 kittens which I played with all the summer. I like gardening even if sometimes it could be something unplanned. Thank you for your interest and a special thanks. And a special thanks to Sofia, Niall, my classmates and my mother.